Oke, lampu cabin on, dome on, navigation light on. Request clearance to Surabaya, gate Delta 31 whenever you're ready.
Selamat pagi, Jakarta Delivery, Batik 0707, Gate Delta 31, POB 161, ready for clearance to Surabaya.
Batik 0707, Jakarta Delivery, selamat pagi. Clear to Surabaya, direct Cirebon, flight level 350, squawk 5207.
Cleared to Surabaya, direct Cirebon flight level 350, squawk 5207, Batik 0707.
Batik 0707, read back is correct. Monitor ground on 121.6 for pushback, terima kasih.
Monitor ground 121.6, terima kasih. Mom, selamat pagi, Batik 0707.
Selamat pagi para tamu kami yang terhormat. Selamat datang di dalam pesawat Batik Air dengan nomor penerbangan ID 0707 dengan tujuan Bandar Udara Internasional Juanda, Surabaya. Di sini pimpinan penerbangan Anda sedang berbicara dari ruang kemudi. Nama saya Kapten Ray Akuru bersama First Officer atas nama Arka Wijaya. Penerbangan ke Surabaya akan ditempuh dalam waktu kurang lebih 1 jam 6 menit dengan ketinggian jelajah 35.000 kaki di atas permukaan laut. Cuaca di sepanjang perjalanan akan diperkirakan sangat cerah dan tenang dan terdapat guncangan, dan cuaca di Surabaya diperkirakan bersih berawan. Anda dapat mengikuti proses perjalanan ini melalui televisi di depan Anda. Untuk keselamatan, saya anjurkan Anda untuk tetap menggunakan sabuk pengaman apabila Anda sedang duduk di kursi Anda, walaupun tanda sabuk pengaman tidak dinyalakan. Kami akan segera berangkat setelah semua tamu naik ke pesawat dan pemuatan bagasi selesai. Selamat menikmati penerbangan dengan kami dan terima kasih karena telah memilih terbang dengan Batik Air. Good morning ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Batik Air flight number ID 0707 with destination to Juanda International Airport, Surabaya. This is your captain speaking from the flight deck. My name is Captain Roy Akuru alongside First Officer Arka Wijaya. Our flight to Surabaya will take approximately 1 hour and 6 minutes, cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet above sea level. Weather along our road is expected to be mostly clear and smooth, with occasional light turbulence. The current weather condition in Surabaya is reported as partly cloudy. You can monitor the progress of our flight through the in-flight entertainment screen in front of you. For your safety, we highly recommend keeping your seat belt fastened whenever you are seated, even when the seat belt sign is turned off. We will be departing shortly as soon as all guests are on board and baggage loading is complete. Thank you for choosing to fly with Batik Air, and please enjoy your flight with us. Whenever you're ready, before start procedure.
Before start checklist, cockpit preparation,
Complete,
gear pins and covers,
set,
sign,
on,
ADIRS,
nav,
fuel quantity,
7,000 kilogram balance,
TO data,
set,
panel lights,
on,
baro rest,
1010 set.
all set down to the line.
Oke, request pushback please.
Jakarta Ground, selamat pagi, Batik 0707, Gate Delta 31, request push and start.
Batik 0707, Jakarta Ground, selamat pagi. Pushback and start approved, heading west.
Pushback and start approved, heading west, Batik 0707,
Selamat pagi
terima
para
kasih.
penumpang kami yang terhormat. Selamat datang di
Down
dalam
from
pesawat
cockpit,
Batik
pushback
Air
clearance
Airbus
received,
320.
heading west, we are ready.
Penerbangan dengan nomor ID
Cockpit from ground,
0777
loud and
tujuan
clear.
Surabaya.
Bypass pin sudah terpasang di
Penerbangan
gate
ke
Delta
Surabaya akan
31.
kita tempuh
Release
dalam
parking
waktu
brake
1 jam
please.
6 menit dengan
Beacon
ketinggian
lights
jelajah
on.
35.000 kaki di
Clear
atas
right side.
permukaan laut.
Green line,
Sesuai dengan
Clear
peraturan
left
keselamatan
side, green line
penerbangan
below
sipil,
the line.
kami
Window
sampaikan
and
bahwa
doors.
merokok
Close.
dilarang
Beacon.
selama Anda berada
On.
di
Thrust
dalam kabin
levers.
pesawat.
Idle,
parking
Serta
brake.
dilarang
Set.
untuk
Before
mengaktifkan dan
start
merusak
checklist
alat
complete.
pendeteksi asap di dalam
down
ruang
from
kecil.
cockpit, parking brake
Sebelum
release,
lepas landas,
shift is yours.
silakan untuk menggunakan sabuk pengaman Anda,
Tar engine
menegakkan
number
sandaran
2,
kursi, menurunkan sandaran tangan, melipat meja di hadapan Anda, dan membuka penutup jendela. Jika Anda membutuhkan bantuan selama penerbangan, silahkan menghubungi awak kabin. Pimpinan penerbangan Kapten Ray Akuru dan seluruh awak pesawat yang bertugas mengucapkan selamat menikmati penerbangan bersama Batik Air. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board Batik Air Airbus 320 flight ID 0707 Flight destination to Surabaya. Our flight to Surabaya will approximately 1 hour and 6 minutes at a cruising altitude of 35,000 feet above sea level. According to civil aviation safety regulations, we would like to inform you that smoking is prohibited in the aircraft cabin, as is activating or tampering with smoke detectors in the lavatories. Before takeoff, please fasten your seatbelts, recline your seat backs, lower the armrests, fold down the table in front of you, and open the window shades. If you need assistance during the flight, please contact the cabin crew. Captain Rayakuru and
Start
the entire
engine
crew
number 1.
members wish you a
Pushback
pleasant
complete.
flight
Please
with
set
Batik
parking
Air.
brake.
Parking brake set, engine number 2 and number 1 are stabilized.
Roger. Parking brake set. Disconnecting tow bar. Stand by on the left side for the hand signal. Terima kasih.
Roger, sinyal di sebelah kanan. Terima kasih. Selamat pagi. Taxi lights on. APU off. After start procedure.
After start checklist. Anti-ice.
Off.
ECAM status.
Check.
Pitch trim.
00 set.
Rudder trim.
0.
Ground signal.
Receive.
After start checklist complete.
Flight control.
Pull up. Pull down. Natural. Pull left. Pull right. Natural.
Rudder.
Full left. Full right. Natural.
Request taxi whenever you're ready.
Jakarta Ground, Batik 0707, Gate Delta 31, ready for taxi.
Batik 0707, taxi to holding point runway 07 left via taxiway November, Charlie 7, November Papa 1, and November Papa 2. Hold short of runway 07 left.
Taxi to holding point, runway 07 left via November, Charlie 7, November Papa 1, and November Papa 2. Hold short. Runway 07 left, Batik 0707, terima kasih.
Seperti ini. Dan dikencangkan seperti ini. Untuk mengeratkan, tarik talinya, melepaskannya, angkat tumpukan besi. Apabila tekanan di kabin berkurang secara tiba-tiba, masker oksigen akan keluar dari panel di atas Anda sehingga terjangkau. Tarik masker ke arah Anda, pasang menutupi mulut dan hidung, kaitkan karetnya di kepala, dan bernapaslah seperti biasa. Penumpang yang membawa anak harus memakai masker oksigen terlebih dahulu, baru menolong anaknya. Pesawat Airbus A320 dilengkapi dengan 8 pintu dan jendela darurat. 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian depan, 4 jendela darurat di kabin bagian tengah, 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian belakang. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala untuk menunjukkan jalan keluar terdekat. Baju pelampung Anda terdapat di bawah kursi dan hanya dipakai pada saat keadaan darurat di air. Cara menggunakannya, kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kancingkan, dan eratkan melingkari pinggang Anda. Baju pelampung dikembangkan sesaat sebelum Anda keluar melalui pintu darurat. Dan bagi penumpang yang keluar melalui jendela darurat dekat sayap, pelampung agak dikembangkan setelah Anda berada di atas sayap. Untuk mengembangkan baju pelampung, tarik sekerasnya kedua ujung merah. Jika baju pelampung tidak dapat mengembang dengan sempurna, tiup pipa karet. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terendam air. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini.
Okay, before takeoff procedure, please.
Before takeoff checklist. Takeoff briefing.
Confirm no change.
Flight control.
Check.
Flight instrument.
Check.
Briefing.
Confirm.
Flap setting.
Flap 1. Check.
ECAM memo.
Takeoff no blue.
Down to the line.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, demi alasan keselamatan selama lepas landas lampu di dalam kabin utama, akan segera kami matikan. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety during takeoff, the main cabin lights will be turned off shortly. Thank you.
Batik 0707 approaching November 9. Contact Jakarta
Cabin
Tower
crew,
now on
prepare for takeoff.
118.6.
Contact Jakarta Tower 118.6.
Para
Terima
penumpang
kasih.
yang terhormat,
Selamat pagi.
waktu untuk
Batik
lepas landas sudah dekat.
0707.
Kami ingatkan kembali untuk mengencangkan sabuk pengaman. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to take off, please ensure your seatbelt is securely.
Jakarta Tower, selamat pagi. Batik 0707, ready at holding point November
Okay, below
9,
the line.
runway 07 left.
Takeoff runway is
Batik
07L.
0707,
Confirm.
Flight
1090
attendant.
degrees at 5 knots.
TCAS.
Runway
DAA
07
Engine
left,
mode selector.
cleared for takeoff.
normal.
Pax.
Cleared for
On.
takeoff.
Before takeoff
Runway
checklist
07
complete.
left. Batik 0707. Terima kasih.
Takeoff man flag SRS runway green auto thrust blue.
Check.
knots.
100 knots. T1. Rotate. Positive climb.
Gear up.
Gear up.
Flaps.
Nav.
Check.
Effect climb, fast climb, auto thrust.
Check.
After takeoff checklist, please.
After takeoff checklist, landing gear up, flaps retracted, packs on, down to the line.
declare dead or copy active.
Seatbelts of VINAF clear. Secondary copy active. GPS primary accuracy high. Cruising 350 flight level. Status as normal. Transition altitude set standard.
Set standard.
Standard crushing flight level 115. Passing.
Now, check below the line.
Flight director.
On.
Cruising climb to 35,000 feet.
Check.
Landing light.
Off.
Seatbelt.
Off.
Baro ref.
Set.
After takeoff checklist complete.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. You may now unfasten your seatbelt. However, for your safety, we highly recommend keeping it fastened whenever you are seated. At this time, our cabin crew will begin our food and beverage service with the trolley along the aisle. For the full menu selection, you may also refer to the menu card/magazine in your seat pocket.
Para tamu kami yang terhormat, dalam beberapa saat lagi kita akan mulai turun dari ketinggian jelajah 35.000 kaki atau 10.600 meter di atas permukaan laut untuk persiapan pendaratan di Bandar Udara Internasional Juanda di Surabaya. Cuaca di Surabaya dilaporkan cerah dengan suhu udara 25 derajat Celcius dengan daya pandang lebih dari 6 km. Semoga Anda menikmati penerbangan ini dan kami harap kita dapat berjumpa lagi dalam penerbangan berikutnya bersama Batik Air. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya. We expected to land in approximately 10 AM in the morning. With this approximately 5 minutes early than I expected landing time. And just to keep it, there's no time difference between Jakarta and Surabaya. Thank you for choosing flight with Batik Air. Flight attendant, prepare for arrival.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, lampu tanda sabuk pengaman telah dinyalakan. Silakan kembali ke tempat duduk Anda, tegakkan sandaran kursi, lipat meja di depan Anda,
Surabaya
dan pastikan
approach,
sabuk pengaman
Batik
telah terpasang dengan
0707,
kuat.
leaving flight
Awak
level
kabin kami akan
350,
berkeliling
descending
untuk
to
memeriksa
10,000
keselamatan
feet,
Anda dan
information
mengumpulkan
Bravo.
sampah.
Batik
Terima kasih.
0707, Surabaya
Ladies and
approach.
gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt
Continue
sign
descent
has been
to flight
turned
level
on.
100,
Please return to
expect
your seat,
ILS
bring your
approach,
seat back to
runway
the upright
10.
position, stow your tray
Descend to
table,
flight level
and ensure your seatbelt is
100,
securely
expect
fastened.
ILS,
Our
runway
cabin crew will be
10,
moving
Batik
through the cabin to perform a safety
0707.
check and collect any remaining rubbish. Thank you.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing.
Para penumpang yang terhormat, demi alasan keselamatan dan kenyamanan Anda menjelang mendarat, lampu di dalam kabin utama akan segera kami redupkan. Jika Anda masih memerlukan pencahayaan untuk membaca, Anda dapat menyalakan lampu baca yang berada di panel atas kursi Anda. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety and comfort as we approach landing, we will be dimming the cabin lights shortly. If you require additional lighting, you may turn on the reading light located on the panel above your seat.
Approach procedure.
Approach checklist. Briefing.
Confirm
Seatbelts.
on
Minimum.
200 feet set.
Become status.
Normal.
Approach checklist complete.
Gear down.
Landing procedure.
Landing checklist. Flight attendant.
Advice,
auto thrust,
speed,
auto brake,
medium,
ICA memo,
On the tower,
Landing no
Batik
blue.
0707
Landing checklist
established
complete.
ILS runway 10.
Batik 0707. Wanda Tower. Wind 110 degrees at 7 knots. Runway 10. Cleared to land.
Cleared to land runway 10. Batik 0707. Terima kasih.
Check stabilize. Check.
400.
Check.
100 above. 300.
Okay, aircraft is stabilized, clear to land, all set, auto lock, dispatch.
Minimum
Continue.
200. 100.
Visual.
70. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 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 Retard.
Batik 0707, vacate runway to the left via taxiway Sampek 5. Once vacated, contact Wanda Ground on 118.9.
Vacated via taxiway Sampek 5, then contact ground on 118.9 Batik 0707. Terima kasih.
Flaps.
Wanda Ground, Batik 0707,
Para tamu
vacated
kami yang
runway
terhormat,
10 via
kita baru
Sampek
saja
5,
mendarat di Bandar
request
Udara
taxi to the gate.
Internasional Juanda di Surabaya.
Batik
Silakan
0707,
tetap duduk dan
Juanda
mengenakan
Ground,
sabuk
selamat
pengaman
pagi.
Anda
Taxi to
sampai
Terminal
pesawat
1
ini
Gate 9
berhenti
via
dengan
taxiway,
sempurna.
Nyamplung
Dan
5
Anda
North.
kenakan sabuk
Taxi to
pengaman
Terminal 1
kepada
Gate
Anda.
9 via taxiway
Apabila
Nyamplung
membuka tempat
5
bagasi
North
kabin
Batik
untuk berhati-hati,
0707. Terima
agar tidak
kasih.
ada barang
Rudder
yang
and
terjatuh.
trim
Dan
zero
sebelum
whenever you're
meninggalkan
ready.
pesawat,
Landing
pastikan kembali
checklist.
seluruh
After
barang-barang
landing
bawaan
checklist,
Anda
flaps
di kursi
retracted,
dan kantung
spoilers
kursi
disarmed.
agar tidak ada
Abuse
barang yang
starting
tertinggal.
tickets standby.
Kami
After
ucapkan
landing
selamat
checklist
berpisah
complete.
dan terima kasih atas penerbangan Anda bersama Batik Air. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Juanda International Airport in Surabaya. Please remain seated and fasten your seatbelts until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. When opening the carry-on baggage area, please be careful not to drop anything. Before leaving the aircraft, please double-check that all your belongings are in the seats and seat pockets to ensure nothing is left behind. We bid you farewell and thank you for your flight with Batik Air.
Parking brake release. Parking checklist
Parking checklist. APU bleed,
on,
engine,
off,
seat belts,
off,
exit light,
off,
fuel pumps,
off.
parking brake and chock.
Brake release, chocks off.
Parking checklist complete.
Surabaya Ground, parking brake is set at Terminal 1, Gate 9, engine shutting down.
Copy that, Captain. Chocks are in place at Gate 9. Perjalanan yang bagus, selamat datang di Surabaya dan hati-hati dengan barang bawaan Anda.
Terima kasih.